My name is Roland Welsh.
My name is Emmeline Leon Lopez.
And I am in the Automotive program at Wake Tech.
And I am a student at Wake Tech in their Automotive program.
So the students are learning on the Pro Cut, and when they leave here, that's the machine they're going to use when they go work at a shop.
It's a good opportunity to have a career in it.
Me as a student that came from not knowing much to now knowing a lot more, I love it here.
It's getting harder to just walk into a shop and pick up a wrench and start working.
But nowadays, cars are running off of computers, and so now cars are more computer than car. I went to Eastwick High School and I'm a recent graduate, and I took automotive classes for 3 years. Since I have automotive experience and I liked it, I felt like it would be a perfect opportunity to major in automotive at college.
I actually got a job within the 2 first weeks of school here just by being in the program itself in the industry.
My dream job is to actually make cars one day and actually try to open up my own shop.
Since I get to use the skills here from school that I learn and that our teacher lets us know, I get to use them at work, right after school. And that prepares me even more to what I want to accomplish later after school.
It's very fortunate that us students were able to be one of the first students to attend here at the new facility.
I would just like to encourage those people that want to get into the program itself and into the automotive industry to go for it, not to be scared, to not either be discriminated either by gender, and that's it.